Hey, what's up, guys? Today I show the best way to make big money. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, what do you expect from this video? This video is all about best way to make money now, guys. It's available worldwide, no matter where you're from, and you don't have any skills work with. I show little trick to make it happen, guys. Okay, guys, let's dive into this video. Before diving into this video, if you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can find awesome video about make money online, guys. Hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends, guys, and comment below your thought. Any further ado, let's dive into this video, guys. The first website we gonna use to make money, guys, is called teespring.com, guys. If you don't know what is the teespring.com, it is a print on demand website, guys. You no need to in front of course, just to put your design and this company will print you once the order is placed, guys. This is the teespring. There is another companies are, guys, print on demand, some print on demand printful like this, but I think it's more complicated than Teespring is all about, guys. It's inbuilt website, you can do easily create, guys. I show the little trick to make money, guys, and I also show the biggest niche, guys. This is the biggest niche you can make money, guys. I also have a store, guys, with this niche. I show how I created and how you can also create it, guys. I show little trick to make it design, guys, with you super professionally, guys. Stay tuned for more, guys. And this is the website, guys, you probably heard of. This is you can print bags, phone cases, t-shirts, bag, and hats, guys. You can easily print, guys. And did you see, guys, this is my t-shirt, guys, and this is socks, and this is, you probably guess, guys, I'm an anime fan, so this is niche is anime niche, guys. I already uploaded a video about anime niche. It's a big niche, guys. It's fans around the world, guys. You can make lots of money with anime niche, guys. So I decided to open a store with anime niche, guys. This is the store. I show you, guys, what's the store, guys. I start blur my Gmail for some reason, guys. Just I show how's my store look like, guys. Just see, guys, this is my dashboard look like, guys. This is almost a dashboard look like on Teespring website, guys. This is a overview how many profit you make and how many visitor you can visit, guys. I just not promoted it, guys, because I just created before, guys, but I don't promote it because I just having some more orders and some more job for you, guys. Just thought I don't promoted it. And this, there is my listing, guys. Do you see there is a listing, guys? I almost list some couple of shirts and t-shirt and hoodie, cups, socks, and some canvas, guys. Something like this, guys. And this is a storefront, guys. And how's your storefront look like, guys? It's easy. Just click and edit, guys. View store. Just click. It automatically take you to the store, guys. And this is the store I created, guys, for anime niche. It's like little more not complicated, guys. Just a drag and drop. I show you how to create, guys. Just stay tuned for more, guys. This is simple store look like, guys. Just to see, guys, the phone case, t-shirt and leggings and stickers and hoodies and canvas and another t-shirt, guys. This is the same, guys, you probably heard of is the Goku, is Saitama. If you know the anime, you can probably think it's the most popular anime character in the world, guys. You can easily promote this anime character and make tons of money with this, guys. That's why I upload this video for you, guys. This anime is huge opportunity because there is lots of animes ongoing, guys. There is lots of people are watching anime, guys. I already show you how the YouTube community goes on anime niche, guys, because anime niche is big niche, guys. You don't think anime is a waste of time because anime is lots of big things, guys. Do you see, guys, the stickers, phone cases, Saitama? This all simple stuff, guys. I show little trick, you can make it happen, guys. Just you no need to draw anything, just Google it and show you, guys. And there is one little trick, guys. You can don't get any copyrighted image, guys, but it's lead you to any issue, guys. I show the little trick, you can get unlicensed images, guys, to your design. It's easily make it happen, guys. Just I show I created lots of design, guys. It's that simple and make it easy, guys, to make money, guys. It's like a look easy guys. This phone case is to sell lots thing guys. Phone case is pretty damn. Let's dive into this video guys. Go to teespring.com. If you want to start creating, click start designing guys. Click start designing. It automatically take you to the designing launcher guys. There where you can select what you can design and how you can design. It's easy guys. Just there is apparel guys, t-shirt, women's t-shirt, long sleeves, tank tops, kids, babies, long socks, leggings, sleeve. There is almost guys, this is all over print guys. I just created this type of guys. This is all over print guys. It's little bit complicated but it's also easy guys. Just all over print guys, wide anywhere you can print this guys. But about this, it's only front and back guys, but it's all over guys. You can print at top, at side, or left, right guys. It's no matter where you print. And this is home apparel guys, pillows, canvas, and some wall tropsery, something like this guys. And this is accessories guys. This is your menu folk to make tons of money guys. Phone cases are really lit guys. You can make tons of money with this. And bags, I don't really recommend bags. And stickers and mugs are usually to make lots of money, but there is a lots of competition in mug guys. And bags and phone cases and some hats guys. Hats also little bit competition. And backpacks, phone cases, stickers, there is lots of guys. I show just this t-shirt guys. Just click short with this guys. This is easy simple guys. Just to choose what you can insert guys. Just I choose classic tee guys. Just to click it. And if you want buy or sell guys, let's click sale guys. Just this is the interface look like guys. It's easy guys. Just click back or front guys, and plus add guys. This is easy. What you color want to add, just blue or pink or orange or some black guys. Click done. What desired color you have, click color guys, and just add image guys. I show little trick as I told you earlier. Go to Google, search whichever anime character you want guys. I just search Deku for you guys. Click Deku, search. This is the top most anime character guys. Just click images. This is the character look like guys. I show you don't get this image to put it. This is because it's copyrighted image guys. I show click tools guys right over here, and usage right. Click labeled for reuse guys. Click. If come these images, this is all reusable guys. Did you see these images are making killing videos guys? And these are all reusable images guys. You can make with this guys. Just click this one, Izuku Midoriya. You can put on your t-shirt guys, or make some good samosa guys. Just I downloaded this guys for you. Just hit some copyright image guys. Wait for a second. I downloaded for you the guys. Okay, you can put Photoshop. You can put this into Photoshop and make it happen look brighter, look stronger, look more attractive guys. I just uploaded like this guys for you show how you can upload and how you can make money guys. Just click save image guys. It's automatically pop in some folder, and click enter. You can automatically download. I don't say this how it's happen. Just click enter guys. It's automatically take you to this, and just go to Teespring and click drag and drop add image guys. So automatically add your image guys. Just easily scale guys. It's easy simple guys. It's easily scale. Just scale it guys. It's look like easy guys. This is the red box. It's how many space this image can take to print guys. This is its limiting space guys. Just I recommend to go all over print. You can print this area guys, this area to this area, but in this you can print within this box guys. Just say show and add some little color guys. With easily you can recognize just with this or this one. This one is might be a good one guys, or this one. Just this one guys. Click this one. Done. It's easily guys. And come over to the set your price. This is mainly we focus guys, how you can set your price and make tons of profit, guys. Just this is profit margin $14, guys. 14.42 cents per t-shirt you sell you get, guys. But I don't recommend this much, guys. Just to put 19.99, guys. So all will lead to 9.42 cents, guys, or just put 21, guys. It's easily come $11 profit, guys. This is the standard, guys. You can standardly make with this profit, guys. Just to put 21.99, guys. Just click continue, guys. Click continue. It's automatically take you to this influence store and how it's look like, guys. If you want preview this, click preview and how you can look, guys. If you also edit, guys, you can edit also, guys. Just click add images. As I told earlier, guys, it's easy method. You can make, as I told earlier, guys, you can make tons of money with this. Just click continue, guys. Please remove all images with low resolution, guys. That's once it's low resolutions, guys. As I told earlier, it's low resolution. You can at least keep minimum resolution, guys. Let's high resolution. You can just put, guys. It's easily just to put and click continue, guys. For this sake, I don't put this, guys. Just go back, guys. It's easy, guys. I show how to create a t-shirt. It's all applied for all design, guys. You can create whatever design you want to, guys, but this all over print, it's a little bit complicated, guys. It shows some size dimension. You can create this size dimension for that, guys, and go to Teespring, guys. And this is how you can make lots of money, and I also make money, guys, with this. And you can make money with any different niches, guys. What niche doesn't matter, guys. You can make with football niche or golf niche, whatever it is. You can make t-shirt and make it sale and make it money, guys. It's easy, but I recommend anime, guys, because it's like some cartoonish time of niche, and it's also huge fans around the world, guys, and it's available worldwide, guys. Just I told earlier, it's easy way to make money, big money, guys. Now let's dive to Teespring and get your design and make it happen, guys. Get financial freedom in 2020, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you this video helps you a lot make money. If it helps you a lot, hit the subscribe button, like and share and comment below, guys. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.